Laptop hangs or freezes randomly. Fix it now. Is your laptop freezing up right when you need it most? It is so frustrating when you are in the middle of a project and everything just locks up. Wait, if you stay until the end of this video, you can fix these freezes yourself at home without spending any money. If you have any questions or run into trouble, just comment below. I will get back to you within 1 hour. Before we start, hit that like button and subscribe to Tech Vibes. We share only verified solutions that actually work. The first step is a soft reboot using the Task Manager. Press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete together. Go to Task Manager. Look for apps with high CPU or memory usage. Select the app and then select End Task. If the desktop is still stuck, try restarting your File Explorer. This often unfreezes the taskbar. In Task Manager, find Windows Explorer. Right-click and select Restart. This clears minor interface glitches. Next, we must update your drivers. Outdated graphics drivers are a very common cause of system hangs. Go to Device Manager. Go to Display Adapters. Right-click your GPU and select Search automatically for drivers. Low storage space or faulty RAM can also slow everything down. You need at least 15% free disk space. Go to Settings, go to System, go to Storage. Delete temporary files to free up space on your hard drive. Overheating is a silent killer for laptops. If your fans are loud, your laptop might be thermal throttling. Use compressed air to clean your vents. Make sure you use your laptop on a hard, flat surface for better airflow. Corrupted system files can cause random freezes. We can fix this using the System File Checker tool. Type CMD in the search bar and run as administrator. Type sfc/scano and press enter. Too many startup programs strain your system. Disabling them will make your boot time and performance much faster. Go to Task Manager. Go to Startup. Select Unnecessary Apps and select Disable. This keeps your system lean. Hidden malware might be consuming your resources. Always run a deep scan with your antivirus software. Perform a full system scan. Remove any threats that are interfering with your normal operations. For persistent issues, check your chipset drivers and BIOS settings. These are critical for stability. Visit your manufacturer website. Download the latest chipset drivers. This ensures all your hardware works together perfectly. With these verified fixes, your laptop will be running smooth and fast again. You have got this.